Panera, the fast casual dining chain, has announced a special Valentine's Day sweepstakes. Get engaged in one of their bakery cafes on February 14th, and the company just might cater your wedding. Now, to be eligible, you have to get engaged at a Panera, but you also have to share a photo of the experience using the hashtag Panera Proposal Sweeps. Here's some of the reaction that we're getting tonight. One person said, so Panera Bread is offering to cater people's weddings if they propose at the restaurant now. I feel like if you propose at Panera Bread, you won't need to worry about catering in the first place because there won't be a wedding. I like that one. Kimberly said, look, I love a Thai chicken salad as much as the next person, but a proposal and a Panera Bread is gonna lack ambiance and romance. But maybe that's just me. You do you, Panera. You do. Whatever. She does her, you do Panera. Finally, Marta said, just saw that you can propose inside a Panera for a chance to get your wedding catered for free. I don't want to be dramatic, but if someone proposed to me at a Panera Bread, I would slap them with a full baguette and leave forever with a baguette so that I can eat it later. Issa Rae is a writer.